Once the day breaks, we must call on the spirit of our ancestors to guide our ways as we navigate through this world of confusion. The ebube that is always following Onyenze will always protect his children, his grandchildren and great-grandchildren, and all the people that are related with him by blood. And I'm calling on ebube to continue as we are breaking cola this morning. That which we are going to eat, they are the only things that will continue to come to our way. And everything that is planning to destroy us will never see the light of day. We are always going to succeed. We are going to remain like tomorrow because tomorrow has no end. As we are breaking this colonel this morning, we are breaking all the dangers that will come our way. We are breaking everything that will bring negativity. We are breaking everything that will bring up bad luck. We are going to succeed because success is our second name. So shall it be on the market day. So shall it be on the market day. So shall it be on a market day. And so shall it be on a market day. I go on following this liberation to the great spirit of our ancestors, neutralizing every force that is planning to rise against us. They will never succeed. They will never succeed. They will never succeed.
It's already too late for me to replace Adanze, for I have registered her name as the one who will free my soul from the cage of death, and her blood will rekindle the pool of money. Getting her to say yes to me should not have been difficult. Why is it then proving so difficult?
Well, welcome, gentlemen. Please sit down and relax.
Sure, no.
Come on, don't be silly. Why will she be at home and I will invite both of you to come here? Relax and sit down. Come on, relax. What's the problem?
Anyway, that shouldn't be a problem. I think we can stage something big right away and live with her.
Good.
In that case, I think since she's not around, we'll take our time to plan her adoption.
Please. I hope you guys are not going to hurt her in the process of trying to collect your ransom.
What kind of question is that? Listen, your main concern should be you getting your money at the end of the day. Though I'm not promising you anything. But you shouldn't be the one telling us how to carry out our job.
Chica, it's like you guys are not ready for this job. See, we do our job the way we know how to do it best.
Please, there is no condition. Do not mind my friend, okay? I mean, we're here to finalize the discussion. Let us move ahead with the plan. I don't understand. Are you trying to say they can go ahead to rape or even kill her if that will make Sabamako bring the money? Sarah, please don't be dramatic. Don't. Nobody is going to die. We are here to discuss, plan and finalize. We can move ahead.
I am not comfortable with this, your friend. I am not. And listen, I don't want problems. I don't think her man can carry out this operation.
I'm actually not comfortable with you too. No, please, don't worry. Let's just move ahead. I will handle her. Trust me. I can. Thank you.
Together.
She's becoming a distraction. And I'm not comfortable with it.
That's because she is not a regular woman. And each passing day, it becomes almost impossible for me to get her to say yes.
You have tried to woo her with money, but yet to woo her as a lover boy.
What do you mean I need to woo her like a lover boy? Of course I have done all of that. I've done everything I know in the books. But it just seems like there's a force somewhere blocking my effort.
Truth be told, I am not so comfortable with that young lady. There's something about her that makes me want to ask you to forget about her.
I cannot stop chasing after her. I can't even seem to forget her because she has become a huge part of me. Seeing her brings me extreme joy. I want her. I must have her and I want her desperately.
You are beginning to sound so dumb. You are not bringing her in to love her in the manner you are presenting to me. You are bringing her in to make her a wife. Use her blood to rekindle the pool of your money and free your soul from the grip of Noknixa.
Take that car to Adanze. Make sure she collects it. Tell her it is hers for keeps. And that she can use it to get whatever she wants.
Boss, that lady Adanze, I don't think she will collect this card. If she doesn't, what do we do?
I do not care what or how you go about it. But do not return to this house without giving her that card. Do what you must. But make sure she collects it.
Oh, come on, Alfred. I don't think this is going to work. That stupid Adanze will not collect this card.
My problem here is, I don't know why boss is bent on getting that girl Adanze. Eh? When there are so many ladies out there who are ready to do anything just to be with him.
Man, this seems like a mission impossible. Don't know why I came to work today.
Unfortunately, Jude, you're here. We have a task ahead. Let's plan on what to do.
Yeah, who's that? I'm coming to get the door. Oh, wow. What a pleasant surprise. Alfred, it's so nice to see you.
Are you sure? This is the same Alfred you rejected. The one you said is not up to your level.
Oh, come on.
Please, dear, we're here to see Adanze. Ignore Alfred.
Wait, did you guys bring all of these goodies for Ada alone?
Actually, this is for you and Sarah. Is she in?
Oh, really? Thank you. That's so thoughtful of you. Yeah, she is in. I mean, you're far too kind. Thank you.
Well, please, dear, can you fetch Adanze for us?
Okay.
And Zara can equally come along.
No problem. You will see the both of them right away. Oh. Lucy, are you
you sure about this?
What do you mean? What kind of stupid question is that? I would do anything. Anything to make sure that he is mine and mine alone. Okay?
I understand. But this contact you got from Facebook, how are you pretty sure that it's not scammers?
The testimonies. I saw lots of testimonies on her page. Okay? I mean, listen, there's no harm in trial.
If you needed a sham, I could have just introduced you where you get it. A very reliable source. Not believing in all these Facebook scammers.
She is not a scammer. I am sure of that. Okay? She prays, and that is all I need. Please, I don't need charm. I don't need any charm.
Okay, fine. I give up. But I don't know why you're insisting on having Sabamako all to yourself. Other women came and left. You just entered and you want to insist, you want to remain there. Give way for others to enjoy him now. Don't kill yourself over a man. Oh.
Jessica, I do not share. And I will never share my man.
You know what? Excuse me.
Come on, I told you that this will not work. Huh? This girl is not ordinary. What kind of girl will reject everything that's been given to her? I think we should just go tell Sabamako to forget about her.
Jude, are you deaf? Do you not hear what Sabamako said? Listen, you and I are not leaving here except this girl is ready to accept this card.
Are we going to force her to take it?
Then you better start thinking of a way out. Except you're ready to lose your job. As for me, I am ready to go on my knees and cry. Yes, but let's pray it doesn't get to that.
I will never kneel to any woman, not to talk of cry.
Jude, get ready to lose your job.
Why don't you want to receive the card from them? Why? Why are you doing this, Ada? See, this is a lifetime opportunity. And trust me, if you miss it, you're going to regret it in your life. Honestly, Ada, we are not asking you to go there and say yes or sleep with him. All we want you to do is accept this kind gesture. At least for now, it will help him relax for a while.
Understand? How much were you two paid?
That's an insult, my friend. What's that? What's the meaning of that?
Ada, you are beginning to insult us. Just because we want the best for you.
No, if you truly want the best for me, all you need to do is to give me your advice and let me do my mind. Oh, I'm not going to accept that card. My spirit doesn't accept it.
Ada. Okay, Ada, listen. You do not need to spend the money. Just collect the card and give it to us. I mean, we know what to do with it. Simple.
And listen again, Chika. The answer is no. I am not collecting that card.
See, guy, we need to leave here. I'm tired of being insulted by this little girl. If Sabamako cannot get himself a girl, let him be the one to come here and be insulted by this little girl that cannot even wash her undies by herself.
Oh, Jude, don't worry. I'll tell Sabamako exactly what you said.
What did I say? Hey, I did not say anything, no? Alfred, I did not say anything.
Alfred, what did she say?
Honestly, why don't you wait for me to speak?
Omalicha, please just take a look at us. Two grown men. Do you know that we both have families? And our families cannot live, feed, or school without our source of income. And you want to render us jobless. And it's not right. Please.
Also, to be truthful with you, Sabamako said to both of us that we should just go home if you don't collect this card from us. Here's the card. That if you don't collect this card from us. And you know how hard this country is. Yes. Listen, as I'm talking to you, my rent is due. Or do you rather prefer me sleep under this tree? Under the tree?
Asa, please. I know that you're a good woman. A very good woman with a heart of gold. Please, don't let us lose our source of income.
Let me have it. Let me have the card. Oh my God! Tell Sabamako that I'm going to meet him and then let's just get done with this.
Really?
Thank you so much. We appreciate this a lot. We appreciate this. I will deliver your message to Sabamako. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh my God! Thank you. You know you're really darling, you know.
She's special, she is one of a kind. Her presence is like that of an angel. And she is an epitome of beauty. No, her smile is magical. Her looks are wonderful. And she is so
Sir Bamako, what exactly do you want from me?
There's something about this lady. She's special, she is one of a kind. Her presence is like that of an angel. And she is an epitome of beauty. No, her smile is magical. Her looks are wonderful. And she's so gorgeous, looking like a goddess. And she's protected by the power of the ancient. Nothing can bring her down, no matter how you try. There's something about this lady. She's special, she is one of a kind. Her presence is like that of an angel. And she is an epitome of beauty. No, her smile is magical. Her looks are wonderful. And she's so gorgeous, looking like a goddess. And she's protected by the power of the ancient. Nothing can bring her down.
Oh, girlfriend, listen. I am going to buy all the designer bags on my list. I'm just going to buy the latest phone and buy some designer shoes for myself. Really? You're very greedy. Yes, you want to finish all the money. Eh? Do you even know how much is in that card? And do you even know the amount of things Ada would want to buy for herself?
Please don't call me greedy. Because for this card to be delivered to us today, it was my idea. So I deserve everything I mentioned and even more.
Oh, really? Let's see how it goes. Oh, God, I can't wait for the shopping. In fact, let's start preparing already. No time to waste.
Right behind you.
Ikenna, where is my phone?
Ujunwa, what is this?
Such guts! What are you doing with my phone? Huh?
Ujunwa, I ask you again. Who is Jude and what do you have with him?
Ujunwa, I ask you again. Who is Jude and what do you have with him? Such guts! Listen, I have told you countless times not to touch my phone. Hey, Chigonian, you have seen what you are looking for, so you can now rest.
And where are you going to?
Hey! What do you want to do? Eh? I'm not going my neck. Neck!
What is keeping Ada? Oh, I don't know. I think you need to go and call her. Because there's no time. And this shopping is going to take time. Nothing is stopping me from buying everything I want. See your mouth. You talk as if the card was given to you. Just pray Ada finishes buying her stuff on time. If not, Oyo is your case.
I know you now. I know that if this card was given to you, you won't even allow any other person to buy with it.
Please shut up.
But thank God it wasn't given to you.
Shut up. Your beauty is great again. Ada?
Where are you both headed?
Ada, what do you mean by that question? Why are you not dressed yet?
Dressed for... No one told me anything. Where are we going?
I thought we are going for shopping today. Ada, you would have told us you are not going. I mean, I don't like to prepare my mind that I am going out, but obviously I will not go out.
Okay, listen, girls. I'm not spending any money from that card. I'm not going to use it.
Okay, give us the card. Let us go and buy a few things. Probably when we go tomorrow, we'll buy the rest. How about that?
Okay, listen up, girls. No one is touching the card. Yeah, I actually collected the card because of what the workers explained. I mean, I didn't want them to lose their jobs, but I'm not using any money from there.
Honestly, Ada, I don't understand you. You mean you're not spending from the card? Eh?
No. Actually, I'm not wired to spend what I don't know. I'm not using the card. No one is spending money from it.
You are joking, right? See, Ada, we won't allow you to do this. You are not going to do this. You won't. You won't do this now. What's that? Ada, please. I just want to believe this is a joke. Give us the card now. If you don't want to touch the money, fine. But give us the card. We need the money. Let us go and buy what we want. It's so simple.
Okay, so do you two want to beat me up now?
We'll beat you if need be. We'll see, you're going to bring that card, or you bring that card. We need to buy stuff. What's that now? Eh? See, you bring that card, oh. Wait. What's going on here?
Wow. Amara, I must say that I'm surprised when you called asking for my house address. I hope I'm safe.
You have nothing to worry about. I just want you to do me a favor. Can I sit?
Do you a favor. Salamako's favorite. Asking me for a favor. I am not even the number 10. Please tell me you are joking.
Can I sit?
Oh, sure. You can sit. I was kind of confused, but since you're in my house, I have no option. And to welcome you.
I'm here because of what happened the last time. I'm just bothered about it. That's why I'm here. Bothered about what exactly? If you want to be with Sabamako, you have to change your mindset about life. But if you can't do that, There will be no need continuing with the relationship.
Sorry, if I understand you clearly, are you trying to tell me to stay away from Sabamako?
Sabamako wants me to be with him this week. But that won't be possible because I'll be embarking on a business trip. So I want you to fill in the gap.
Are you here to insult me? No, are you here to insult me in my house?
Lucy, if you are ready to take your mind off having Sabamako to yourself, if you are ready to forget about marriage and childbearing, when you are ready to have fun, let me know. I promise. I promise to introduce you to the life of luxury and wealth. The choice is yours.
Hey, what's up? Did you see it? Sarah, I have searched every part of the room. There is no sign of the card. What? What do we do now? Kidnap her as planned. Yes. Demand for a ransom, take the money, and leave her to do her mind. I already told you I won't be a party to that. Oh, really? What is wrong with you? You keep complaining about Ada. In fact, both of you are the same. You can say whatever you want. I won't be a party to that. I won't stain my hands because of money. And who is talking of staining hands? Huh? Nobody is going to die. How sure are you? Are they not going to use guns for the operation? What if they mistakenly kill her in the process? Have you thought about that? Hey, please, stop being negative. Nobody is going to die. I mean, we have to do what we have to do. Huh.
Herself, the most happening lady in town. Oh, good enough, yo. Asa of the Most High. Baby, you're looking so sweet. You're looking so sexy. Eh? Probably your skin plug in, you know now. What's going on?
Diane, what is it? This one you are hailing me like this. What is the problem?
Babe, who know you know the streets? I didn't hear your scores. Eh? How you dey roll with senators, permanent secretaries, governors? Babe, show me way now. Me na your girl. I be your paddy. Roll me in. Cancel me for now. You want to go?
Diane, I don't know what you're talking about. Sabamako is the only man in my life.
Fine girl. Now only me and you dey here. Eh? Don't need to hide things from me. I know your scores. I dey hear am. Just okay. I'm not greedy. Just little. Just give me small connect. Small. Even if not one. I know they greedy now. Beg. Eh? Fine girl.
See, babe, I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what you heard. But I'm telling you, there is no connect for you. Alright? Sabamako is enough for me. I don't know. What are you talking about? I'm not sure I was the one you guys talked about there. So, I don't know.
Babe, are you for real?
What do you mean, are you for real? I'm for real. No connect. And meanwhile, you said we should meet here. What's up?
Then. So, this babe feels she can sideline me just like that. Lying in front of me, something she knows I know about. Because she wants to eat alone. Not to worry. Amarachi, I will show you Pepe. Come to think of it. What is it about her that makes all men flock around her? What does she have that I don't have? She's not even more beautiful than I am.
Can you imagine? How does she know all this? This is why I hate and avoid this girl. She's too nosy and she gossips a lot. I hope she won't say anything to Sabamako. This girl is just a pain in the ass. What do I do about her? Sabamako mustn't find out about this.
Drug dealer, fine man, fine money. Everybody wants him. Money man. Everybody wants him. All of the girls, them I want him. Fine girls, sweet girls, I want him. The money too long, they won't get some. Everybody wants him. All of the ladies, they want him. Fine girls, sweet girls, I want him. The money too long, they won't get some. And he's giving them plenty. The money's too much, girls everywhere. If you want the money, come get yourself some. No hesitation, here's the solution. For so long, say no money matter. Many girls keep on fighting, that's all. Fighting for who go on Mr. Bamako. It's so funny, cause they don't know what's going on.
Where's boss?
He's the one I'm waiting for.
I have good news. Guess what? The almighty Adanze is on our way to this place. Yes.
That was the same thing I was about telling him. Wait, who told you?
Chika called to inform me.
Chika is becoming so nice these days. Hey, tell me, have you digged her?
Dig what? Listen, guy, she's way below my level. You know now.
Someone you couldn't wait to smash.
Jude, that was then. Listen, she's coming for me because she was rejected by Sabamako. Guy, no one tries that with me. Come on, man, I know my worth. I am not cheap. Trust me.
You're welcome, beautiful.
Thank you.
Sabamako will be here shortly.
Do you care for anything? Anything at all?
No.
Just say whatever you want, and you'll have it.
I don't think you should bother. I don't want anything. I just want to see Sir Bamako first.
Today is indeed a very, very beautiful day.
Good afternoon, Sir Bamako.
Adanze, live in my house. You are truly a beauty to behold.
Thank you, Sir Bamako.
they not offer you anything to eat or drink?
Oh, that. I told him not to bother, that I wouldn't want anything. I just wanted to see you first.
Please sit down.
Thank you.
It's okay, I'm coming. It's okay. It's okay. I'm talking. Madam.
What is the meaning of this? I've been out here knocking for over 30 minutes and you refuse to open the gate. What's your problem?
Madam, I did not open the gate because you are not welcome.
What do you mean by that?
Madam, I will advise you to go back and come back later. Sabamako cannot see you at the moment. In short, Sabamako cannot see you today.
Okay, let me just go in and relax.
Madam, that privilege is not allowed at the moment. Please, try again later.
Look at this man. Are you mad? No, are you mad? Do you know who you are speaking with? Excuse me.
Madam,
Look at this man.
Madam, don't make me angry. Don't make me angry. Madam, don't make me angry. Madam.
Okay.
Madam, don't make me angry.
Sorry.
You are indeed very charming. Your beauty has captivated my soul. You are a very beautiful woman.
Thanks for the compliment.
And your smile is enough to melt my heart.
Thanks again. Thank you.
Do not allow her background that is rooted into the ancient to intimidate you. Speak to her. You are the man.
Sabamako, is anything the matter?
Why did you suddenly stand? I am actually enjoying the peace and tranquility that comes with your presence. You know, a lot of people think that money brings happiness, but that is not true.
If money doesn't bring happiness, what then does?
Happiness comes from loving someone and being loved back. Look, I do not want a perfect woman. I just want a woman who is going to be fair to me.
And who says I'm that woman for you?
The first thing I noticed about you is that your presence gives me peace of mind. Anytime I am around you, I forget who I am. Adanse, You are the kind of woman I want.
I actually came here to tell you that I'm not interested in whatever you want from me. But for some reason I can't tell. I'm right here listening and confused at the things you're saying to me.
It's okay. Take all the time that you want. I'm a very patient person. I'll be here with open arms, ready to receive you when you're ready.
Madam,
Leave me!
I'm not available.
Leave me alone!
Madam, it's not available.
Leave me alone! I want to get...
No,
leave me alone!
Madam, the number you are trying is not available.
Leave me alone!
You cannot go.
Leave me!
Mba, no. Mba, madam. Mba, no. Mba. Asim Gamba.
Wait!
Madam.
So, since the one Sabamako doesn't want to see me.
Madam.
Eh?
Madam.
Leave me alone. Madam, I want to go and say you explain to me why he doesn't want to see me. Leave me!
Who is she?
Don't worry about her. Let's go.
Okay.
Leave me.
Come on. Okay.
Leave me alone.
Hey, there's something about this lady. She's special, she is one of a kind. Oh, her presence is like that of an angel. And she is an epitome of beauty. No, her smile is magical. Her looks are wonderful. And she's so gorgeous, looking like a goddess. And she's protected by the power of the ancient. Nothing can bring her down, no matter how you try. Hey, there's something about this lady. She's special, she is one of a kind. Oh, her presence is like that of an angel. And she is an epitome of beauty. No, her smile is magical. Her looks are wonderful. And she is so gorgeous, looking like a goddess. And she is protected by the power of the ancient. Nothing can bring her down, no matter how you try. There's something about this lady. She's special, she is one of a kind.
I'm sure that I felt presence of a strange being. Sabamako, who are you and what are you about?
I demand to see Sabamako right now. He needs to explain to me what just happened out there. I know who I am, and I will not allow anyone treat me like trash. So I need to see him now. And he needs to tell me why he keeps disrespecting me.
Alfred, I think this girl is horny. And do you mind, hitting her with that? At least so she can calm down.
Dude, from what I see, this woman here, this lady here is in need of magic wand.
Are you two mocking me or what?
How can we do that? When our job here is to solve problem. Listen, we have diagnosed your problem. We are looking for the best way to solve it.
And that's the reason why you've been brought here.
God,
I was on my own. I was on my own. I never wanted to fall in love, but he forced me. He made me fall in love with him, and now he's avoiding me. And the two of you are making a joke out of it.
Let me break it down once and for all. Sir Bamako is avoiding you because you are suffocating him.
How? I am suffocating him by loving him?
That is not love. Allow the man to miss you. Listen, do less of coming here practically every day. Yes, listen. You're selling yourself. Cheap.
I'm the man that we know. The man that we work for. The man that we can die for. Doesn't like anything cheap.
Not at all.
Can you imagine? The stupid man I called my husband has refused to let me go. I have tried all the horrible things I know to piss him off, yet he wouldn't budge. I'm telling you the truth, my darling. He claims he still loves me and he does not want me to leave him. Joke of the century. Oh, I have my plans. I will definitely leave his house. I must make sure he regrets marrying me. Oh, come on, girlfriend. You don't have to worry. My plan right now is to turn everyone against him. You know, good thing is the neighbors and everyone already see him as a violent man and a wife beater. Ah! Come on, come on, come on. You know, by the time I am done with Ikenna, he will regret ever marrying me. Trust me. Yeah, girl, you know me. I don't say what I don't do. Okay, my darling, I have to go right now, okay? I have some looking for trouble to do.
Why can't I be the madam of this mansion? Why must I be number 2? No, nah. I must do everything possible to take Amarachi out of the way and become the queen of this castle.
I am still very worried, Lady Weber. Adanze is very stubborn. And nothing seems to be working on her. All my efforts, both spiritually, physically, mentally, and otherwise, nothing seems to be working. What exactly is going on?
There's something about her. There's someone somewhere holding the light for her. Someone is responsible for all your failures.
Who is this person so I can teach him or her a lesson? Tell me who this person is so I can destroy her or him and get my woman. This is no longer something to relax about. This battle
must be won. And I must win it.
If she's not ready to roll into the space you have created, roll another in.
No, my lady. Adanze is the one. Adanze must be.
This is blood.
The blood that will set you free from danger.
Danger? What do you mean by danger? I'm not in any danger. I'm just seated here waiting for my man.
Let me make it clear to you. You must drink this blood.
Wait. Else, will you force me?
The environment will force you. Are you drinking it freely, or do you want me to invite them?
Invite who?
What kind of dream is this? Blood.
Ada, so you went to Sabamako's house and refused to tell us the outcome? Really? Baby girl, we deserve to know everything that happened on that day.
Exactly.
I mean, you should tell us.
Exactly. We talked you into doing this, and now you're trying to sideline us. Why?
It is totally unacceptable. We will not take that from you.
Okay, girls, if you two don't stop pestering me, I'll be forced to leave this house for you people. Seriously. Because I'm fed up. Why would you... Good afternoon, Obuefi Nzafulukwe. Anunebe of Umodiano. I greet you, sir.
Where are you?
I'm at home.
Anas, I need you to tell me the truth. Are you okay?
Yes, sir. I'm fine. Is there any problem?
Listen, I want you to leave whatever thing you're doing. I want you to start coming home immediately.
Is anything the matter? I was about going for a meeting.
Anas, can you understand that what I am saying is very important? Leave the meeting you are. Just forget about that meeting. I want you to start coming home. I will explain everything when you arrive. But forget about that meeting and start coming home now.
Okay, sir. I will be on my way.
I told you. So after we have persuaded this girl to give Sabamako a chance, now she wants to sideline us, like take us out of everything that is happening, so we will not benefit from the relationship.
Sincerely, I never knew she could be this mean and selfish.
But I have told you before. I do tell you. But not to worry. Trust me, we will do the needful.
I still say no. No!
What are you doing here? How may I help you?
Why are you being hostile to me? Are we fighting?
What are you doing here? Tell me, what are you doing here? Else I'll push you out.
Lucy, I'm not here to fight you. I thought the last time I was here we had an understanding. Why are you making it look like we were fighting? I better take my leave.
Run. Run as fast as your legs can carry you before I change my mind. Look at you. Oh, you think you can set me up? You know full well that Sabamako has replaced you, that you're no longer the number one. And you made a fool out of me. Really?
What are you talking about?
I will slap you. I will give you dirty slap if you ask me that question. Look at this girl. Don't worry. Very soon, just very soon, he will kick you all out. And then there will be no one but me. Very soon. Just so.
You are unbelievably a wreck.
Get out.
Growing up as a churchgoer.
Get out of my house! So get out of my house. Get lost. Lucy, you be a shower. Loser. You want to pick me? You want to pick me when you don't even have a class? Loser. Silly thing, idiot.
What's going on? I've been here.
Where are you going? You need to go back to your car, please.
I need to go back to my car. Help me get it.
Hey, I can't get your car. You need to go home with your car.
Look, Jude, I'm not here for jokes. I want to see Sabamako. I don't know, I've been calling him, but I think he was busy. Just let him know that I'm here.
Let me cut this long story short. You've been suspended from having access to Sabamako till further notice. We'll call you when we need your services.
I don't even know why I'm wasting my time with you. Let me just call him.
Listen, Sabamako knows about all your shenanigans. Your travel with the governor, all your secret movements is in his file, well documented. And please don't bother to call him because he's not going to pick up, not to talk of seeing you. So please, leave.
Has she left?
Yeah. I've never seen her this way. You know, at some point I almost told her to come with me so we would beg Sir Bamako.
But women safe, eh? What does she want that Sir Bamako could not give to her? He even made her his priority. But yet, this girl still mess around with other guys.
Come on, what do you expect? Huh? You can't train a wild animal and expect to cage it. Sir Bamako gave her life. A life she can only imagine. She's human. So, I don't blame her if she wanted to explore.
Guys, seriously. It is not easy to keep a woman in check. If eventually she decides to live a carefree life, it will be very, very difficult to keep her in check.
I can see you packed outside. It's obvious till you finished. Your juju has expired.
So it was you?
Of course. Overtaking is allowed. I have taken over. I am done eating leftovers. Huh? I am now the queen of this castle. Dig it in.
Diane, you have forgotten who I am so soon. Do you know what it took me to get here? Do you know what I can do to terminate you for just stepping on my toes? You obviously did not ask questions.
Shut it. Zip it. You think I just woke up and decided to replace you? Do you know how many rivers that these legs have entered because of you? Do you know what I have done to shut you out? Do you know what I can do to exit your face from this earth? Do you?
Diane, the death that kills a dog does not allow the dog to smell the street.
Shut it! Nobody's living here alive. We must all die someday. and I won't live my life like a coward. You see, that thing you think you can do, go and do it. Diane is here waiting for you. Rubbish.
Diane, you're poisonous. You're a devil. No wonder nothing good comes your way. You think you're smart, right? Watch me show you how it's done.
You can't do shit. My name is Diane. I am not scared of you. Go home and mourn your loss.
If the scorpion fails to do that, which makes it scorpion, the little children will pick up the scorpion and throw inside the fire. Adaze here is a daughter of this family who is born into the okuku of this family. Therefore, she's protected by this offer. I don't know this danger that I am seeing. I don't know this signal that I am getting. But I just called her back to remind you that this daughter of ours is under your protection. Nothing will ever happen to her. I don't know where they are coming from, whether they are coming from the left, whether they are coming from the right, whether they are coming from the center, anywhere they are coming from. For the mere fact that I called her to come back here today, and she is back, I am putting her under your protection, that nothing will ever happen to her. It is going to be well with her on a market day. It's going to be well with her on the market day. It will be well with her on a market day, and well with her on a market day. I am surrounding her. When you get to that road, you are the case that I can. You want to make a Mary. As you are the case that I go. Whatever thing that is destined to be yours must come to you. Nothing will ever stop it. And so shall it be.
She's protected by the power of the ancient. Nothing can bring her down, no matter how you try. There's something about this lady. She's special, she is one of a kind. Oh, her presence is like that of an angel. And she is an epitome of beauty. No,
Alfred. Alfred, do you have a problem with me? Have I done anything wrong to you before?
Sister Lucy, don't misunderstand me. I only take orders and execute them. And I was introduced to a new event planner. Yes, that is not by my power. You need to understand.
The reason I came to Sabamako is because of this. Before he lured me into something else. But he never told me to disconnect from my job. Why are you stopping me from my job?
I cannot. Moreover, the birthday party is not an elaborate one. It's just for few friends. I am sorry, sister.
Please, stop this sister nonsense. I am not your sister. Can we talk business?
Seriously, I am surprised.
Oh, so good to be home. We bought lots of things. And to think that we spent our own money on this shopping. And that is very mean and wicked. Huh?
That is not my problem for now. I just want to attend this party and see if I can catch a big fish for myself.
Sarah. Yeah? I had a bad dream about this party. I heard voices of women crying for help. I saw blood all over the place. I don't know.
It was just a dream, okay? Don't take it to heart.
Is it that Sabamako is a ritualist? Have you even thought of that?
Madam, don't try to spoil this mood. Or even ruin my expectations. What is that? What do you mean by that? Ritualist how? Because of ordinary dream?
No. It is not just an ordinary dream. See, it looked so real. Do you know I woke up crying from this dream? I am not trying to say that Sabamako is a ritualist, but I'm just trying to make something out of this dream because it scares me.
Don't make anything out of that dream. It was just a dream. What we should concern ourselves with now is how to get someone like Sabamako and better our lives. And you're talking about just a dream. Huh. What is it? Are you no longer excited about the party? What's up with the sudden change of attitude?
Sarah, you won't understand. I'll be inside.
Oh, please be.
Take it easy. Just take it easy. Listen, I am not a fast food. I am a well-prepared meal, garnished with all the awesomeness of life. You can have me like this. I am not cheap. Stop.
I know you want me. I used to see the way you look at me. Stop acting hard to get.
No, listen. I like you. That's true. But wanting you is something I am not sure of. Listen, you are food meant for the gods, so I can dig here.
Alfred, I see you as a god. Don't think less of yourself. Just look at me. Just look at the food before you. I want you. I want you right now. And you cannot say no to me, okay?
You know what?
Come on.
Listen.
Lucy, what happened? What is it?
Can you imagine? Sabamako knew how important planning his birthday is to me. And he had the guts to take it away from me.
What? Like for real? You are no longer planning his birthday?
I'm no longer planning his birthday. And to think that he took it away from me.
That's why you are feeling like a transformer that wants to explode. It serves you right. You know what to do and you did not do it. So, just enjoy the heat as it's coming.
You know, as it stands now, I am ready to do anything at all, just to make Sabamako be under my control. Anything.
That's my girl. Now you're talking. Come. Calm down. Just give me some minutes. I'll be right back. Just wait.
Gosh. Jesus!
Come close. Stop shouting. Come close.
Jeez! What here? What is this, Amanda?
Are you ready to have Sabamako under your control or not?
Jessica, I am a child of God. I cannot do this. I can't.
Okay. You see, this is not going to be a wasted effort. If you're ready, you come close, you're far away from me. Let me tell you what to do. Come close. It doesn't bite. Come, I am not far. Don't be stupid with your rigidity, or you will just lose out. Even many women and men of God you look up to do this to reach their target. So help yourself. You're not a child. Come, I'll tell you what to do. Yes.
I need to help Sir Bamako. I'm sure he does not know that there's a strange spirit around him. How do I go about this? Should I speak to my uncle about it? And what kind of spirit is this? I felt the presence. What does she want with Sir Bamako? How do I help Sir Bamako without getting hurt?
And she's so gorgeous, looking like a goddess. And she's protected by the power of the ancient. Nothing can bring her down, no matter how you try. There's something about this lady. She's special, she is one of a kind. Oh, her presence is like that of an angel. And she is an epitome of beauty.
Hello, girl. My dear, honestly, I don't know how to go about this. This useless man has refused to leave the house. Me, I don't want to miss this birthday party for anything. I have tried everything possible. Everything possible to get him angry so that he can leave the house. Honestly, I see that I have tried. I've tried to get him angry so that he can fight me. But he's not bulging. What are you even saying? Was he not the one that asked me to quit my job? Now I've quit my job and the only thing he does is take care of the basic needs in the house. What about my own personal needs? Who will take care of them? Honestly, baby, you see, after this marriage, I am done. I will not marry again. What are you even saying? Don't tell me that, I beg. Later.
Where is Adan now? See, I don't want to be late for this party. Ha. Sarah, to be truthful, my spirit is down. I don't feel like going for this party because of an ordinary dream. It's not just a dream. I feel sick. If you ask me, I don't want to go out. Listen, nothing is stopping me from attending this party, okay? Better go and call Ada. Let's go. We go without her. She can come whenever she's ready. Are you good? Let me call her.
Oh yeah, I'm coming now. Wait. Where do you think you are going? Come back here. Where do you think you are going? Where are you going to?
Poor men insulting people that are better than them. take a good look at this. And don't insult your mother.
You are very stupid. And if you talk anyhow, I will throw you at this your useless invitation card out of this compound. And you know
what? I don't have time for stupid men like you. Huh? I am here for party. I am in the mood to party. Yes. And if you talk much, I'm going to call Sir Bamako. And you know what that means, right? You will lose your job.
You are very stupid. Let me ask you a question. If you see Sir Bamako now, will you even recognize him? Useless as shower. I wonder where you got this your invitation card from. Rose girl, as shower. She can't even buy a good perfume. Look at the way she's smelling like an embalmed corpse. Useless something.
It is your entire generation that is useless. It is your mother that is useless. In fact, your mama are useless. I don't blame you now. I blame your mama when open leg, born idiots like you for this world. See, if you talk to me, just thank your stars, say I did in the mood for party.
Hey! Rose girl! You want to enter the party? They don't want people like you. Look at you, Rose girl.
Are you done? Is there any other name you want to call me? No, go on. No, go on. See, Oga, make I tell you, I'll be proud as Shao. Yes! Take a good look at me. No, check me out now. Look at me. I am a proud Ashawa and there's nothing you can do about it. You useless man.
Hey!
Rubbish.
Look at her. Agidi. Upcoming Ashawo. Hey! Oga. Yeah. Hey!
Wifey.
Yes.
I'm going out.
Wow. Turn around. Oh my God. Darling, you look good.
Thank you.
Where are you headed?
A friend of mine invited me for a birthday party.
Oh, okay. Wow. That's nice.
Thank you.
Actually, I envy you.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm. I'm going to be home all day, cooking, cleaning, scrubbing. Plus, your brother asked me to wash his clothes. So you see, it's gonna be a busy day. Busy.
In you, I have seen that being married is not easy. I'm happy. I'm happy my brother married a good wife. I just wish he could treat you nicely and stop maltreating you.
Aww. You know, Aloma, your brother used to be so loving.
I know.
Caring. Not until he started dating other women. He changed.
You mean he's still cheating on you? After everything I told him?
Shh. Bring your voice down. I don't want the neighbors to hear. Oloma, I love your brother so much.
I know.
And that is why I will not stop praying for him until he turns a new leaf.
This is why I've made up my mind not to get married again. Yes. I just want to live a baby girl life. Look for a rich man that will take good care of me. If I want a kid, I'll look for a sperm donor and have my kid. I'll never marry again.
Stop it. May the gods forbid. Why will you say a thing like that?
If my loving, caring brother can turn to a beast, my dear, nothing is impossible. It's okay. Let me get my bag. Oh, baby girl. Yeah, I'm done. Okay, you know what? I'll meet you up at your place and then we'll take up from there. Yes. Jessica isn't feeling too well, so she won't be joining us. Anyway, it's a shame because I wanted to introduce her to my mom. At least, I wanted to introduce her to my man so that they could meet for the first time, but fortunately she's not feeling too well, so it's okay, maybe some other time. Yes. Oh, come on. You know the goal. The goal is to make him mine. He is mine, and I can't wait to be standing beside him when he is cutting the cake. Ciao, ciao. See you later, baby. Coming right away. Yeah. Okay.
Sorry, who was that?
Amanda, of course. We're going. You said you are sick, that you're feeling cramps. But it's a shame. Anyway, wish me luck.
I wish you the luck.
I have all the luck, don't worry. Can't wait to be
Fine girl, sweet girls, I want them. The money too long, they won't get some. And he's giving them plenty. The money's too much, girls everywhere. If you want the money, come get yourself some. No hesitation, here's the solution.
Yes, we are here. Finally. Hey! Finally where? Where do you think you are going? Excuse me. Who is this riffraff? Huh?
Listen and listen good. You need to leave here right now, or I will throw you out. But where do you think you are going? You came out from your ghetto to here. How?
Please, I would advise you stop showing how stupid and senseless you are. Except you want me to take you back to your lane. Is that what you want?
Amanda, can you imagine this too? Sweetheart, please just ignore them. Let's go. Okay, please.
No.
Please, Lucy, hold this back. Oh, really? Come on, excuse me.
Hey,
excuse
what's
me.
going on here?
What's all this for? You see
what I will slap you the more.
You will do nothing like that.
It's not the end. I'll come back for you, girl.
You come back. Jude, I command you to send these fools out of here.
Really? Huh? Ladies, I'm sorry, please go inside. I'm sorry about this. It's not going to happen again.
Thank you.
Okay?
Jude, please.
Welcome.
Jude, you are protecting to them.
Out of
today for slapping me.
Lucy, you need to be very careful. These are special guests for the day. If you don't take your time, I'll send you out of this place.
What? Jude!
Cheers, though. Cheers. Cheers. It's a good life, baby.
Hello, beautiful ladies.
Hi.
Hope you guys are having fun.
Of course, yes.
Please, don't fail to request whatever thing you want. Like anything at all.
Wow, that's what's up. What's going on here? We are supposed to be where everything is happening. I mean, with the movers and shakers of this town. Where Sabamako and his friends are not here.
Of course.
Ladies, this is where you'll be for now. There will be a party at night. Then, you can mingle with whosoever you want.
That's what's up.
With the movers and shakers of this town.
Yes.
Like shakers.
And even shakers in other towns.
I like that.
Ladies, there is a lot to eat and a lot to drink. Don't fail to request for whatever thing you want. You will have it right before you.
I love that.
I trust them.
All right.
Alfred, hold it. Hold on a second. Are you trying to leave me here with these things? What? What are you talking about?
Sister Lucy, this is where you be for now.
Sister Lucy.
Another slap rolling up.
With the movers and shakers, baby. Yeah.
Pick up. Sabamako, you have to pick my calls. You have to pick my calls. I've been calling you. Yeah? I just stood so low as to be here and I will be with those girls. Excuse me. Can I talk to you? Sure. If you don't mind, I want to know, who are you? I mean, who are you to Sabamako?
And who is asking?
What sort of stupid question is that? The other day I saw you in this house. And now I'm asking you a question and you are forming what I don't know. Who are you?
I think it's too early for this. If you'd excuse me, I'll love it.
Please! Answer my question. Who are you to Sabamako?
The next time you lay your filthy hands on me, I'll sure forget my home training and teach you a very big lesson. That's not a joke.
Really?
Really, really. If you want to exhibit your cheap lack of home training, you can do it with the fools you have as friends. Those with low self-esteem like you.
Wow. Here comes the most beautiful queen. The one and only Asa. The queen of the castle. The one we all have been waiting for. Come with me.
Where are you taking me?
Sabamako.
Wow.
Sabamako awaits you. All his friends, colleagues, and family can't wait to see you. Let's go.
Well, I'm sorry, Alfred. I can't go with you. I'd rather stay down here with these beautiful ladies. Thank you.
Oh, my lady. You belong up there with Sabamako.
Some people are begging and crying to go up. And you're here begging someone to go up. This life no balance, shall. Well, if she does not want to go, I want to.
Okay, brilliant. You heard the lady. She wants to go up and she wants to follow you. So please, you can go with that. I'll do just fine here. Thank you.
Please go with him. Look, if you want us to come with you, it's fine. If that's what's going to make you feel comfortable, we'll come with you. Come.
Asa, in that case, I will have to go upstairs and inform you of our presence, okay? Ladies, I'll be back soon.
Tell him about me too.
What's going on? I just left for a few days. Diane, I thought you said you have Sabamako in your palms. What happened?
What do you mean by what happened? Like you don't know how unsteady Sabamako can be?
There's more to this one that we are seeing. From what I observe, that girl has taken over completely. Sabamako will soon give us red card.
That's not possible. It's just a matter of time and she'll be like us.
I mean, aren't you guys ashamed of yourselves? I mean, look at the way you humiliated yourselves in there. I thought both of you claimed to be his favorite. Where are you right now? Where are you? Where?
Just shut it there. You should be coming together to figure things out and not fight each other.
You see?
God forbid! Diane, you are a devil.
You are so evil and I can never have anything to do with you. I thought you were a glutton before. What happened? Shut it there. Why are you so pained? Loser.
Is this how we are going to handle this? Sabamaku had never treated us like this before. Can't you guys see what's happening? What is all this?
I don't really care. Because I have all the connections I want. You see Sabamaku? I don't depend on him alone.
Really?
Yes. Okay. I just pity some low lives.
You are the one who is a lowlife, cheap whore. What do you think you are? Stupid thing.
My.
What's that?
No, it's not.
Hi, my beautiful ladies. I hope you all are having a swell time.
Not at all, sir. We want to join you in the main party in the penthouse. At least let's meet your friends and colleagues.
Did you come here to celebrate me or you came here to see my friends? Be very careful. There's enough to eat and drink. So please, order whatever you want and it will be given to you, okay?
Oh, thank you, Sir Bamaku.
You're welcome. Adanza, how are you?
I'm very well, Sir Bamako. Thank you.
You look well indeed.
Thanks.
Come with me upstairs. I want to introduce you to my friends. Very important friends.
Sir Bamako, I would have, but honestly,
Sir Bamako, she's right behind you. Yes. Yes.
Like I said, have fun.
All right. Thank you. Take care of you. That's my girl.
It's okay.
Oh, please.
She's my friend anyway. Kiss.
That's my girl there. More drinks, please.
Come, my love.
Excuse me.
Why did you suddenly stop?
I'm not comfortable. I need to go back to my friends.
Adanza, you don't need to be with your friends. You need to be with me. Come, let's go upstairs. You are going to be my woman, so I want to introduce you to very important people.
But can't I bring my friends along? I think I'll feel more comfortable if they're there with me.
So you want your friends to come up with us? Is that what you want? Adanza, you're not saying anything. You want to go back to meet your friends or you want to come up with me?
Yes, Sir Bamako.
Deny her that request. Do not grant every request she makes. And the presence of her friends will hinder so many things.
Sir Bamako, you're not saying anything. You've suddenly gone quiet. Please, will you grant me the request to go back to my friends?
Adanza. Listen. You are in safe hands. This place is actually the safest place in the world, so you have nothing, absolutely nothing to worry about.
promise.
Security! Security, open this gate!
What is it?
Are you deaf or blind? My friend, open this gate, I want to leave.
You don't even know why they call this place a haunted house. Today is the D-Day. No one leaves this house alive. Go back and enjoy yourself.
What do you mean by a haunted house?
Lady, go back and enjoy yourself.
What are you doing here? Hello? Hello? Hello?
As it is, that Adanze is not allowing your redemption to happen. Free her and concentrate on another.
Lady Rebel, you don't seem to be getting all I've been saying all this while. Adanze is in the center of my life right now. I will not replace her for another.
Her background is not allowing the sacrifice to gain grounds. So it will not be easy to offer her for your redemption.
I know it will not be easy, but nothing is impossible. Adanze's blood is unique. Her naivety and innocence is divine. She is perfect for the kind of sacrifice that I want. Her blood will give me the kind of money that even the president would want to know me. Allow me, Lady Rebel.
I am sure of what I saw. She's dead. She's dead.
I'm finished. See, we have to look for a way and leave here before they use us all for ritual. Shut up there. Who told you she was killed?
Okay.
What?
Wait. My friend Amanda, she's not here.
The girl you came with?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I think I saw her going upstairs with Jude.
Jude?
Yeah, they've been together having fun. I wonder why she's not back here.
Oh, God. What is going on, guys? What is going on? What? We need to inform Sabamako of what's going on here. I'm so scared.
Okay, I'm so scared.
Someone should call him.
Call him. I'm so scared. Seriously.
Call him now.
Yes, just call him.
You call. We call him. Somebody should call him.
Call him now.
This is the best opportunity for us to leave this place before something worse happens. Please.
I told Zara of what I saw, but she refused to believe me. What we are facing here could be an accident. Please, calm down, relax.
Accident?
If nothing is wrong, why are they not allowing us to go?
I just want to leave. I want to go home. I don't even know why I don't have network in my phone.
Not even used, even mine. There's no network. See,
I think there's an evil agenda.
I think so.
There is.
My mother wants me. Oh.
Are you guys saying that?
Hey girls. Hope I'm not late for the party.
Hey.
What's going on? Huh? What is it?
Is you guys... I need to leave you.
Huh?
How do I leave you? I said if I didn't want to go for the party. I told Zara.
What's going on?
I don't need to go. Is she going in? Ha! Is she going inside? Is she going into the lion's den? Hey! Ujuma, what are you doing here? Is this the washing and cooking that you said that you'll be doing for your husband?
Listen, just respect yourself and mind your business. Are you hearing me? You don't know me. I don't know you. Capish?
This is unbelievable. Ujuma, this garden is not for married women.
The gate is locked.
What?
Who is this man?
Hey, no, will you tell me that you don't know what is going on here? Eh? Will you?
What is going on?
Oga, can you open this gate? We want to leave. Can you just open this gate?
Madam, wait. Eh? You cannot leave. Oh. Eh? Nobody leaves until Oga gives me instructions.
What? Wait a minute. Are you holding us hostage?
Oh, Skinny. We'll just wait. The party will not last into the night. Go. So just calm down, eh? Everything will end very, very soon.
Mr. Man, open this gate, Jared!
What is wrong with this man? Oga, are you trying to kidnap us?
Will
you open this gate?
You
will shout, oh.
Can you just...
Oga, open this gate!
Let us go inside. Just go inside now. Eh? Go inside.
What is wrong with this guy?
Oga, come open this gate.
Daddy, open this gate!
Oga, come on!
Open the gate!
Oga, open... Amanda, where are you? What do you mean you are in Jude's room? Are you okay? Come down here, please. I said it. You said what? No, I believe that. There is something going on here. Yes. If not, why are they not allowing us go home? The gate man said that we are going nowhere. That he was instructed not to let anyone go out.
Oh my goodness.
Yes. What do we do?
What else?
Is everyone doing okay?
Yes, Sabamako, we are fine. We are fine.
Look, ladies, there's no cause for alarm. The lady fainted due to excessive alcohol intake. She'll be fine. She's in the hospital right now and she's responding to treatment. In no time, she will join you and then you all can leave.
You see? I said it. I told you ladies not to be afraid, that we are in a safe hand. Thank you, Sabamako.
You all are in safe hands. So please, just relax, sit down and have fun. I'll be with my friends upstairs, okay?
Alright. Sabamako, please. Can I see you?
I'm sorry that cannot happen now.
Sabamako, please, I want to see you.
I'm afraid you cannot see me now.
Hello, Uncle. Good afternoon, sir.
Adolfo, where are you now?
I went to... I'm at a friend's birthday party, sir.
I want you to leave that place immediately.
What? Sir, the party hasn't even started. I just got here.
Listen, Adolfo, I don't want you to argue with me on this. I want you to leave that place immediately. I don't know how I'm going to explain this to you for you to understand it. But the issue is that you have to leave that place right now. I will explain later, but leave that place immediately.
Yeah, okay, sir. Thank you. I'll leave right away. Thank you, sir. Bye-bye.
My angel.
Hey.
How are you?
And
Since you got uncomfortable because I left you for a while.
Please, we have to reschedule. I need to leave now. Not anything I cannot take care of. It's fine. I just need to leave now. Happy birthday once again. We'll see some other time, okay?
You want to make me the saddest person ever. Adanze, you came not quite long ago. And now you're about to leave. How do you want me to feel?
But you're not the only one here. You have so many friends scattered everywhere in the house that can keep you company. I didn't even know that I was stay for a short while. I just have to go now, please.
You think I care about these people in there? You think I care about them? You are the only one I care about. Without you, nothing else makes sense. Don't you get it? I don't care about these people. Once you leave now, this celebration is as good as over.
What?
I'm telling you the truth. Please. Hold my hands. What is it about this girl that you cannot pinpoint? So that I can be allowed to bring her into the fold to do what I want. I am dying slowly, Lily Rebel. And I need her blood to launch a comeback.
The one she sees as father is connected to the patient. And those of us in the occult are advised to avoid the sacrosanctity of the ancient powers. They are sacred. And to tell you the truth, on a face value, they are superior to the occult.
This is very discouraging coming from you, Lady Rebel. What would you advise me to do now?
I advise you calm down and allow me to take care of this. I don't want you to make a hasty move. He will become vulnerable the minute he deviates from the sacred rules of his ancestors. I will see to that.
I held you as the greatest. You introduced me to diversified forces, and I've experienced power. How then do you expect me to feel now that you are filing out on my birthday to announce to me that the methods of our ancestors is far superior than that of the occult? What then are we doing in the occult if the ways of our forefathers is far superior than ours?
Be mindful of the things you say so that you don't ignite the rot of wicca. Go back to your party and keep those ladies busy. They may not have consumed your spirit to qualify for the ritual of stabilization. But there are things you are tapping from their aura as they are close to you. Do not miss that.
I am happy I did not live here because of that useless girl who refused to know her alcohol level. Can you imagine drinking to the extent of passing out? Who does that?
To even think that she scared me to stupor.
Babe, I don't even want to talk about it.
Me too. Ada,
baby girl.
So tell me, are you here to take us?
That if you wish to.
Of course, yes. I wish to go with you. I'm tired of staying here with these people.
In fact, I can't wait. Let's just go inside because I cannot wait to meet Sabamako's friends.
I'm going home. I'm not going upstairs. That's why I said if you wish to.
What do you mean you're going home? Is Sabamako aware that you're going? I mean, how can you leave now that the party has not even started? I mean, Ada, please. Please. Don't spoil today for us. What is this now? Which one is your going home? You know Sabamako will not be happy with this. In fact, no one is allowed to leave.
I've already told Sabamako I need to leave. I really need to leave now. It's an emergency. I need to go.
Don't even go. Don't leave.
Oh, if she wants to leave, let her leave now. Someone that has...
She's leaving. Yeah. I mean, what is all this fuss all about? It is obvious that Sabamako has sent her away.
Sent who away?
Brothers, please can't
No,
we
no.
talk?
This is not the time, okay? You can call Sabamako. He has given me the permission to leave. He knows I'm leaving and I need to leave right now. Call him up, please. Go on.
Boss like no other. Adanze said... Okay, sir.
Wait. Jude, wait.
Bye.
Have fun, girl.
Ciao.
She's allowed to leave. But I can't leave. I mean, I can't go.
What is going on?
Power has changed hands. It's obvious Ada is now...
Oh, my darling, tell them.
Well, shut up.
Tell them, my darling.
Ashawo. Ashawo.
Nah, that day I'm sure.
She's my friend.
And she's on top now.
Boss, ask everyone to leave immediately. Boss, you heard me right, Alfred. You're not deaf, are you?
Pardon my manners, boss. I was just confused. This wasn't the initial arrangement.
There will be no need to continue when the main purpose of this party has already been defeated.
How, boss?
The prize is gone. So there's no need to continue. Dismiss everybody at once, but do not make them understand that there are no friends in the penthouse. My imaginary friends are still there. You understand what I mean?
I understand you, boss. Consider it done.
I don't understand. What are you saying? That we should go after spending hours staying here and just doing nothing?
This is unbelievable. This is not the fun Sabamako promised us. What is going on here? Hey, girls. I need you all to chill. Listen, if Sabamako says we should all leave, then let us leave. What is all this? Really?
Yeah. I'm trying to say, well, how can you send us away just like that? Could it be that did something with us that we know nothing about? I mean, this is not us. This is no longer me. I feel like something I came with has left me.
Something like what?
That serves you right. I'm out of here.
Hey. No man, no fun. The party is not partying. Bros, give my thanks for coming. Give me for a change for it. Give me.
Thanks for coming. No better party.
My darling.
The one who calls me father has become my child by every definition of that word. All the forces of darkness will remain incapacitated once they rise to operate against any of them. Any force that is planning the destruction of any of my children scattered all over the world will actually be the one who is going to experience massive destruction.
Already tell me. You are a devil. And what are you? You are a devil. That is what you are. What did you go there to do? Huh? What did you go there to do?
A single man is looking for a wife. You as a married woman, what are you doing there?
What are you?
Yeah.
Nobody's fairly used and dumped. Huh? What are you?
Fairly used? Hey. You are mad, you are mad.
It is no longer a secret, my dear. What? Yes, it is no longer a secret.
What are you talking about?
Your husband threw you out of the house because of infidelity. We know! You think we do not know? What are you know? It's not today that you started standing on the road. We know you! I'm one
year ago. You the one?
Ah, it is true.
Is it not true? You're just forging it. Yes, because I'm sure. I'm not like you, Jew.
I am not like you. I'll pity the man that will marry you. I pity the man that will marry my brother.
I will punish you.
You want to go and tell your mother? Go.
Of course I'll tell her.
Do you need transport money? No, do you need
have money. I have money. I don't need the money.
My dear.
Keep your fucking money.
Why are you wearing an angry face? What happened?
Can you imagine? Can you imagine Amanda? Eh?
Talk to me. What did she do?
Amanda that I took to my man's place. Coordinate yourself, Amanda. No. I thought the one she did before was just for her to look around the house. But today, at the slightest opportunity Amanda got, she's already in bed with the boys, with Sabamako's boys.
Are you sure of what you're saying? Do you have the facts?
What do you mean if I'm sure of what I'm saying? I know what I'm saying. Amanda was caught pants down with the boys. And I'm sure by now they must have discarded her. Yes, because they don't have any use.
But that was not the plan, Amanda. That was not the plan.
That was not which plan? Which plan? I don't understand. That was not which plan.
Lucy, see, it's not what you think. The plan was not for her to use the charm on Sabamako's boys. It's to use it on Sabamako. I don't know why she fucked up like this.
My God! Eh? Wait. Hold on. I mean, Jessica, you gave the charm to Amanda to use and seduce my man.
Hey, just hold it. Don't even make me angry. What is it? What is your problem? Did I not give you? I approached you with my ideas. Did I not? So I found someone who wants to make use of it.
Okay, you found someone who wants to make use of it. What stops you from using it? Why give it to Amanda? Why?
See, don't just raise your voice at me. Calm down, let me explain things to you.
You're not explaining anything because you're a devil.
For real?
You're a devil. If you could give the charm to Amanda to seduce my man, that means you can kill me.
You never loved that man. Did you love him? No! You are after his money and that's it.
I'm after his
So why are you blaming me?
I'm after his money.
Of course every girl want money. Every girl in the street want money, including myself.
Jessica, you are a devil. You are evil. You're not supposed to be my friend.
So tell me, who wants to be your friend? Holier than thou attitude. At least I do my own things and they're open. How about you? You do it at the back. And you come before us to stand like, hi, holy, holy. Let me tell you, girl, there are smart ones. Even before you think, they have taken 99% off your brain. So don't just get me pissed, else you will get a hot slap from me.
Jessica, I want you to leave my house this minute. Jessica, leave my house! Leave my house! If you could do this to me, that means you can kill. I'm not worthy to be your friend because you're not worthy to be mine too. I cannot live in the same house with you. You cannot eat in the same pot with me when I know that you're a devil. Leave!
You pushed me!
Yes!
Let me tell you,
Jessica,
there is nothing I am doing.
You and Amanda are the evil ones. You're a devil sitting on a stool.
Now listen to me, let me advise you as a friend.
Leave.
You see that man? He's a pure cultist. So if you don't take your time, your head will go down on it.
Allow it. I want my head to go down. Jessica, leave. You're a devil. Ha! Jessica. Amanda. My God.
Just best for me to leave this house and have my peace. All this.
Hello, Uncle.
Yes. Adanze, are you at home now?
Yes, sir. But I'm about to step out.
I don't need to explain a whole lot of things to you. I am telling you that I need you to leave whatever it is you are planning to do today. I want you to start coming here.
Sir, please. I can come very early in the morning tomorrow.
It cannot wait until tomorrow, Adanze. It has to be now. Now as in right now.
Fine, sir. I'll be right there now.
Come here.
Stop that.
Ikenna.
Ujunwa, stop.
Ikenna.
Stop.
Ikenna. Ikenna, come back here. Ikenna, come back here.
How dare you? How dare you walk out on me while I was still talking to you? Don't you have respect?
Ujunwa, you should obviously check yourself into a psychiatric hospital because you're obviously going insane. What the hell is your problem?
Hey! What is wrong with you?
I just defended myself.
Shut up! I heard everything. So this is what I do. Ojuwa. Ojuwa, you are a devil. Don't you think I believed the head of my own brother? Ojuwa, God will punish you. You are a devil. You are a witch.
If you fail to remove your banner over the one we have chosen, I am going to hit you the second time, and you will not survive the second.
You are an angel of an unholy force. Something my ancestors abhor, and something I know I will never have anything to do with. Why are you moving around me? Why?
The brave man is not he who does not feel afraid, but he who conquers the fear. Are you going to let go, or do you want to die?
I know what this is all about. This is about our dance, right? The same way you cannot kill me is the same way you cannot kill the one who has not allowed herself to be contaminated with your gifts. You cannot destroy a dancer because she's a woman who is born into this family. She is protected protected by the Okuku of the Umuopara extended family.
Do you really want to dare me?
Who is this woman? And what does she want from me? Whatever thing that we don't know, we never succeed in knowing us for the evil. Whatever thing they are planning, we never see the light of day. If they are planning this thing from the back, we are going to escape from the front. And if they are planning this from the front, we are going to escape from the back. And if they succeed in planning this evil from everywhere, we are going to develop wings and fly away. I cancel whatever it is they are planning from the arenas of darkness. They will never succeed in harming us. And as I send this out, I am sending out whatever it is that they are planning. And so shall it be.
She's protected by the power of the ancient. Nothing can bring her down, no matter how you try. Hey, there's something about this lady. She's special, she is.
Uncle, why are you staring at me like that? Please, what is wrong? You're beginning to scare me.
Adenze, I want you to look at me and confirm to me that everything is okay with you.
I can't lie to you, Uncle. The truth is, everything hasn't been okay with me of late. And I can't seem to comprehend it. Most times it feels as if I'm being monitored by something or someone or some people. I don't know, that as if they're monitoring me every step of my way, and I don't know why.
More reason I asked you to come back. Because I felt it in my spirit. So many people who elected to forget about their roots will suddenly go missing on the account of their greed. You are not like that. And that's why I want you to open your mouth and tell me everything that has been happening in your life. I need to hear everything, as in every single detail of it.
Honestly, sending her out is the best thing I've done for yourself.
Oloma, don't try to patronize me. You are the reason all this got to this extent. I tried to show you the game she was playing, but you failed to listen to me.
I'm sorry, brother. Honestly, I'm very sorry. I was just trying to break you into being a good husband. I never knew Uju was the devil. Brother, please forgive me. I'm so sorry. Please. It's me, your sister. I'm sorry now.
Are you mad? Are you... in your next life, know who you mess with. You don't mess with Samarachi.
Money too long like it's a drug dealer. Fine man, fine money. Everybody wants him. Money man. Everybody wants him. All of the girls, them I want him. Fine girls, sweet girls, I want him. Money too.
Beautiful ladies, I want to thank you all for coming. Thank you so much. Promise I have something very special for every one of you here.
I'm sorry, Sabamako. I thought this meeting is supposed to be between the both of us. I mean, what are these things doing here? Please tell your boys to throw them out. They don't belong here.
Lucy.
Yes, darling.
No one is throwing anybody out here. Everyone is welcome to this house. We are all a community. You see this place? This place is for women who want to enjoy life, and life they will enjoy. Yes.
Sabamako, you know, there is something about you that is becoming so corny and confusing. I don't know. Do you mind sharing with us? We could help.
You're right. I was going through a lot in the past. But trust me, whatever happened in the past should remain in the past. But there's something I'm going to promise you here. Whatever happened in the past will never repeat itself. I am ready for us to go back to how we used to be.
Ooh.
So many enjoyment. And to make you understand that I mean what I'm saying, this weekend, I am throwing the biggest party in town.
Hope this is not going to be like the last party that we are meant to sit down as rejected people.
Not at all. Nothing of such will ever happen again. I promise.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure about that.
Good afternoon, Sabamako.
My darling and dancer. Good afternoon. It's a good thing you came. I wasn't expecting you at all. This is indeed a pleasant surprise. Jude. Boss. Take these upstarts. These never do well. Take all of them to the main living room. I would like to be alone with my woman.
Okay, boss. All right, ladies, shall we?
Rubbish. What's that? Hey.
Listen.
Thanks.
Thanks. Thanks!
Sweet, please.
Ash, go.
House, please. Your purse.
Okay.
You surprised me today. And these are the kind of surprises that I like. Very pleasant ones.
Thank you. I'm glad you like it.
I love it.
Yeah, that reminds me. Why do you stay in this huge house all by yourself? I mean, it's rather too big for you alone.
I grew up staying alone. I'm an only child. So I think I got used to the lifestyle.
And you enjoy it?
Not exactly. But I'd rather stay alone and be with someone who's going to take away my peace of mind.
That makes sense. You know, this is exactly what I tell my friends. That I'd rather remain single than to be with one who wouldn't give me peace of mind. One who would just stress life out of me.
Do you think being with me stressed the life out of you?
Well, you seem cool, though I'm still watching you.
I like your honesty. Just like I love everything about you.
I have a couple of questions to ask.
Okay. Go ahead. I'll be glad to answer all of them.
Why have you chosen to disobey me by sitting with her listening to tales? I have told you to stay away from that young lady because she's connected to a force that will never allow her to be used.
That young lady is the one I'm going to use for the ultimate sacrifice. She would give me so much money that even the mighty in the society would tremble at my wealth.
How are you going to achieve that?
I am already achieving that by professing love to her. I just finished having a heart-to-heart conversation with her, and I am certain she's already mine.
That girl has not accepted anything from you. You have not managed to sow any seed in her life. And from the circle of Wicca, I can tell you, she will not fall.
Adanze will give me the wealth that I seek. Adanze's blood will help my soul be free from the caged curse. Adanze is whom my heart has chosen. Allow me go with my plan. I love you with everything in me. As you can see, I am a man who has acquired and attained everything that a man should acquire at his age. I am very wealthy. Very, very wealthy. I have everything that money can buy. But there is just one thing I lack. I lack someone who would give me peace of mind. And the only person who can give me what my heart really wants is you.
You confuse me when you say all this. Because to the best of my knowledge, you have met women. You've met lots of ladies. When I mean ladies, I mean connected ones, highly sophisticated and extremely beautiful. And if I'm not wrong, you must have mingled with all these women. So why can't you settle with one of them? Why me? Why are you making it sound or look like if I say no to you, you will die, like your life is in my hands?
You're not far from the truth. If you say no to me, I will die. You are the star that shines in my world. This is my phone. The code to unlock this phone is 2209. This is the same code that you have to input anywhere a 4-digit PIN is required. I am not supposed to be telling you this, but I'm telling you this so you know how much I hold you in high esteem. All I ask is that you agree to be my wife, and I will take you to the bank right away and make you a signatory to all my bank accounts. That is how much I love you. That is how much I want you. Please say yes. Say you will be my wife and I will make you the happiest woman on earth. I swear on my honor. If you agree to marry me, you will have equal rights with me.
You weaken me when you say all this, and I don't understand it. Why are you making it look like if I say no, you will die? Why?
I will actually die if you say no. I am incomplete without you. Just say yes. Say you will marry me. And you would never ever lack a day in this world.
Chika,
Yeah?
I know you girls will be surprised, but I will be getting married to Saba Mako.
Oh my God! Congratulations! Girlfriend, this is the happiest day of my life. Now I can confirm the saying that he who loved last, loved best.
Sorry, Chika. I don't understand where this is coming from.
You don't understand. This decision Ada just made is going to change our lives forever. In fact, it's the turning point of our lives. Can't you see that?
Adanze, you cannot marry that cultist.
Why would you say that? Why would you... Excuse me. Why would she say that?
I don't know.
Excuse me. Hello, baby.
I thought you said we were going to see your uncle today. I am ready. Why are you not here yet?
Oh, yes, darling, I remember that. I'm just trying to settle things with my friends. And yes, they already know we'll be getting married soon.
Really? I'm so happy to hear this. Should I send the driver to come pick you up immediately?
No, baby. You don't need to worry yourself. I'll just drive there and then you can go with your convo, okay?
I cannot wait to meet you. Bye-bye, honey. Later.
Money man, everybody want him. All of the girls, them I want him. Fine girls, sweet girls, I want him. The money too long, they won't get some. Everybody want him.
Look, Ada,
yeah.
I am going to advise you as a friend. Please, do not marry that man.
Sarah, what is your problem? What is it? Huh? Has it occurred to you that this man will be a blessing to us?
I do not need his blessings because he's not standing right. Look, I've taken my time to study this man. And I now know we've been so foolish to be rooting for him.
Okay, wait. I would like to know why you referred to him as a cultist.
That house where he lives is a haunted house. There are spirits that live there.
Really? A house that we all stayed and prayed to be the lady of the house. And finally, our friend succeeded. Girl, all we need to do is support her so that she can bless us.
There's no blessing in this.
All you will see is gnashing of teeth. Yes.
Alright, my mind is already made up. And there is nothing you say that will get me discouraged. I have to be on my way. You've heard the call. Have a nice day.
Adanze.
Hey, darling, listen, have fun. I am solidly behind you, girl. Oh my God. I can't wait to grab from all the goodies. Little bitches. She is. Let us support her. Ah.
You'll be here soon.
Babe?
Yep.
I must say that your uncle is not doing badly at all.
I told you, my uncle is the most upright man I know. And you know what happens to upright people?
Please tell me.
One way or the other, they're always comfortable.
That's true. Sweetheart. I just want to say something. Thank you for agreeing to be mine. I promise you, you would not regret this action. You will always be my baby for life.
Thank you, baby.
My beautiful daughter. You're all welcome.
Thank you.
Yes, today promises to be a very, very beautiful one. Who are you and what are you doing in my house?
My name is Obuefi Nzafolokwe. Dianonoebe of Umudiani.
I don't know that name. And I've never met you before. What exactly are you doing in my house?
Call it the haunted house. And it will start making sense to me. I came to ask you, what is your mission with these very beautiful young women that are standing before us?
Is it my house you are calling a haunted house?
The house where demons dwell. The house from where you are hoping to launch your satanic agenda that will destroy the family system and free your caged soul. Sabamako, or whatever they call you, I am asking you, what is your mission? Let me tell you, you are not going to succeed with any of these young women because they have their lives and they have their future.
Alfred! Jude! Boss. Yes, boss. Bundle this non-entity out of this place and teach him a lesson of his life. I see you came prepared. You came to test your local charm in my house. Well, this house that you call a haunted house, I will let you know that there is something mightier than the nonsense that you have.
Why are you being hostile to me? Whereas I came in peace. Listen, as long as the moon and the sun serve the stars will always shine. And the rain will always fall. And the plants will always grow. Nobody is mightier than the gods. And this world will continue to be in existence. You and your Jezebels cannot stop that.
I know this man as an enemy who wants to destroy me. Who is he?
This is Obuife Zafulukwe, the annual member of Umodiami. This is my uncle whom we've come to see.
My name is Dikeh Uzoka from Okwele. I have carved a niche for myself in importation and distribution of general merchandise. People call me Sir Bamako because I started from Bamako. I have come to ask for your niece's hand in marriage because I have found her to be my niece in real. This is 1 million naira. Consider it to be fulfillment for the least of knocking on the door, as tradition demands. Give me your consent to marry your niece, and I promise you, I will give you the biggest marriage ceremony in Omodiani.
Quite impressive. You've just indicated interest in marrying a woman from my family. A woman who is born into an obi. And the offer of that obi has just rejected your money. Who are you? The same woman I once saw in my dream. Who are you and what have you come to do in my house?
I have come to end this madness once and for all.
Lady Rebel, why did you come here? I told you that I can solve this in love. What is wrong with you? Let me handle this my way.
And you cannot solve this when this man is here. This man must go before anything can happen.
You cannot touch even a strand of her hair. This is a woman that is born into an obi, and people like you cannot do anything to her.
She's gone, she's gone, she's gone.
You are not going to marry this young woman because you cannot use her for your occult manipulations.
Please, do not abort this marriage plans. I beg you. I need her at all cost, and I will do anything and everything for you. Just hand her over to me. Please.
You need her at all cost. And you can do anything so that you will get married to her And then you will kill her after 2 years and organize an elaborate burial ceremony for her. You cannot marry this young woman because you cannot use her for your occult redemption.
Since all diplomacy has failed, I am going to show you that there is something mightier than diplomacy. I will marry this lady behind you, and there is nothing you can do about it. Since you do not want this to happen in your lifetime, I promise you, it will happen in your death.
Stop, please, stop.
Go down on the power of your Nitsa.
She's so gorgeous, looking like a goddess, and she's protected by the power of the ancient. Nothing can bring her down, no matter how you try. There's something about this lady. She's special, she is one of a kind. Her presence is like that of an angel. And she is an epitome of beauty. No, her smile is magical. Her looks are wonderful. And she's so gorgeous, looking like a goddess. And she's protected by the power of the ancient. Nothing can bring her down, no matter how you try. There's something about this lady. She's special, she is one of a kind. Her presence is like that of an angel. And she is an epitome of beauty. No,